Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. We're going to have a quick review of T.G.I.F, the 32 counts. Here we go. Starting with the right foot, we're going to go to the right and step right, behind side cross. Do it again. Step right, behind side cross, and then you can either do a rock and cross or a scissor close. So scissor close cross. Now we're going to turn that way to the right with quarter, quarter, and a cross and cross with the left foot. Then a scissor close cross. Now we're going to turn again over our right shoulder to end up at that wall. Step, step, left, right, sit, or this is where you can style it. Okay, now we're going to turn again. So we're going to use our left foot and do a quarter, quarter to end up on that wall. So quarter, quarter, coaster, step, right foot, sweep left, coaster, step, left half pivot and a triple step and a step, touch and a slide, touch. Right, behind side cross, right, behind side cross. Scissor close, left, right, cross and cross, scissor close again, step, step, sit, step, step, coaster, step, step, sweep, coaster, step, pivot, turn, triple step, step, touch and slide, touch. That's T.G.I.F. Here we go with counts. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. That's your quick review.